Good evening. Welcome back to the Drummond channel on Thursday, October 12th. And this update is for the S&P E-mini and crude oil that we've been looking at the last couple of days. What is really cool to watch is, even with all the turmoil that's going on, we're still seeing this hidden market structure that Drummond geometry makes visible. We're seeing how that's starting to manifest itself. So when the markets are moving hectically, we have points of support and resistance on our charts that non-Drummond traders don't, and this is really starting to pay off, especially when we look at crude, and I'll get to that in a minute. So buckle up. We're going to start with the E-mini and go from there. So I have a standard silver version daily chart over here on the left, and this in the middle is the daily Holy Grail and a 30-minute Holy Grail chart. And what I've done is transferred some major areas of support or resistance into that shaded rectangle there in this center chart. So we have for tomorrow, we have a PL dot right in this area. We have the monthly envelope bottom in this area. We have the weekly envelope top, and also quarterly envelope top up in this area. So there's a lot of resistance building, and so far, as of today, I should say, it's starting to manifest and push its way down. And the market reversed right in this area, and we talked about this the last couple of updates, and this is what we were expecting, that this resistance was going to be strong and the market would turn away from it. From the perspective of the Holy Grail, what do we see here? We see a wall forming, and this is what we talked about when these oncomings are starting to line up, and the market has not gotten through that. Today it reversed from the oncoming. The oncoming contained it the day before, and we expect that this area is going to continue to be strong resistance. When we look over here at the 30-minute chart, we can see that how that's been manifesting today. Early this morning, we start out, there's a wall forming in the 30-minute chart and the breakdown, and it's a little hard to see, but this moved down, this moved down, and then what we got here is this, if you can see this little purple mark there, that's the 50-50 line, and that's switched, and now it's above the price, and that's the indication that this thing is done. And it bounced up into this wall area over here and then continued to push down, and you saw what happened. Now we're just correcting. Now that the market's closed and we're in the overnight session starting, it looks like it's just correcting some of this move down, but I expect this is going to continue to push lower tomorrow. So for tomorrow, a couple of targets are pretty easy to spot. There's the weekly PL dot and the 1-1 low. That's second, I should say, and the first one here is the daily envelope bottom, again followed by the weekly PL dot and the daily 1-1 low. Okay, now moving on to crude oil, and looking at what took place on Sunday evening and that big gap up could have, well, I guess it did initiate some talking heads to claim that we're going to see $150 oil and the world's falling apart, and the usual drill. If I move this weekly resistance area over here onto the daily chart, that's where the market gapped up into, and that's where it stayed. And as I said a couple of days ago, I expect this market to keep pushing down, and it has. And now what we're looking at are downside targets starting to form. We've got a daily envelope bottom for tomorrow. We've got the monthly PL dot, and we've also got the daily 1-1 low. So those are three areas that we expect this market to be, or the targets for this market for tomorrow. And this is a lot of resistance here, daily PL dot and a monthly envelope top, or I'm sorry, monthly envelope bottom. Again, depending on how the market navigates this area with the monthly PL dot, that puts a quarterly PL dot in a quarterly PL dot refresh in play. So we'll keep an eye on this, one day at a time. And right now we've got a couple of targets for this market tomorrow, and we'll see how that works out. That is it for Thursday, October 12th. Good trading, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section. We'll get to them. If If you like these videos, please like them, and if you want to get the updates as they come out, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.